Here's the first experience going to try to fix the chip. So as you can see, the chip is right here. So basically it's visible to the driver, and based on the reviews, I got this one on Amazon, this repair kit. So right now we are going to try to remove the chip. So basically I just read the instruction, also watch some YouTube videos which one explains how to do that, how to use it. And the first of all, what you need to do is to clean, of course, Windex always works, so best and the best. So we just clean it up really good, so we have like around 1 finger away from the chip, because you will see why in the future. So we clean it. After, you have to use this to remove all the glass from inside. So first of all, you have to start like this. You see there's small glass flying away. I'm first time doing it, so I'm just doing a little bit inside. Can you guys see that? What some glass are removing from inside. This chip is not really deep one, so yeah, as you can see, guys. Yeah, so let me show it closer. So here it is. So as you can see, let me try to zoom it. It's really hard to find a good angle. So like this. So I just do it like this. Yes, so after cleaning like a little bit, take your time, because it's really important to remove everything from inside, but not be too aggressive, otherwise you're going to break the window. So now we apply more Windex. And we are letting it to dry. Give it a few minutes to dry, and we'll continue next video.